This is a review of the LogiTech K850 and mouse M585. And so this is a very comfortable and quiet keyboard as advertised. It's nothing flashy, but it's super comfortable. I was in the market for a keyboard and a mouse that I could use for long periods of time. And after extensive Googling, this was what I landed on for both the price, which is about $60 at Costco, and the usability and comfort. I cannot understate the comfort piece of it. Here we have the M585 mouse from Logitech. It is very sleekly designed and very comfortable again. I just like the feel of the plastic. As you kind of rub on it, it's a very soft plastic around, and you can tell the quality put into this. Very nice. Now, my recommendation to Logitech is to please redesign your packaging and make this little flap here a different color, because I almost threw away the important piece that makes this entire operation work. And here we have a close-up of the keyboard itself, the K850. And as you can tell, each individual key has a indentation at the center to help connect with your keystrokes. And the other thing I like about the keyboard is that it has a soft, non-plastic, ergonomic feel to it. As you kind of press down on the palm rest, it's welcoming to your wrist that may be hurting after long extended sessions of typing. And also the entire keyboard itself has a sort of like a curved bevel design as well. And here's a quick demonstration of the different heights you can have the keyboard set to. The first one, and then the highest here. So there's two levels there. And here's a demonstration of adjusting those and how it looks with my rather kind of large hands while still kind of using this particular keyboard very comfortably. So I bought this specific MK825 keyboard and mouse combination from Logitech specifically for the mouse and the keyboard that comes with it. However, I was quite pleased with the accompanying software that comes along with it that extends the functionality of both the keyboard and the mouse. Now, I'm not going to say that I'm an expert in knowing what all these settings do, but I like the fact that there's so many options and it works really well with your hardware and your operating system very seamlessly. I didn't even have to install it, just like I plugged it in and it was ready to go. So very pleased with that regard as well. The software itself looks very clean and crisp. So that's a very nice bonus to have. If you're somebody that likes to use a lot of keyboard shortcuts, then the MK825 module from Logitech is going to be a good one for you, because you can customize a lot of these to do a lot of different functions. I can just envision for myself when I do 3D modeling, this could come in very handy to press one key and it does a whole lots of operations. So again, very pleased with this. If you're looking for a high quality keyboard and mouse that is less than $100 but still very performant, comfortable to use for long periods of time, and of high quality, then definitely do not overlook the MK825 keyboard and mouse combination. This thing is a good buy. I picked it up at Costco for about $60 or so. Now, if this particular video helped you make a decision on whether to buy this particular keyboard and mouse combination, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel, because it does help the channel a lot. Until next time, thank you.